Hey girl, hey, welcome to today's video. We are back with another wig review. I know you guys miss these videos, so I'm so excited to do this one today. We're going to be doing a wig unboxing first impressions on this hair here. So this is Vivian. She's from Hairvivi, who are sponsoring today's video. So I'm so excited to show you all about this hair. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. All right, so this is the box that it comes in. It's wrapped up like a little present to yourself. It looks super cute. I actually haven't even opened the box yet. I was about to, but then I'm like, you know what? Let me just like open it up on camera so we can like do a first impressions and we can like see everything together. So let's go ahead and open it up. So let's take off the little ribbon. This is what it looks like when you first open the box. It kind of gives you like some little things to look for. Well, we don't need that anyway. This looks so cute. I'm glad they opened this on camera because this is like such a cute little present. She is all wrapped up really nicely and packaged really nicely. So there's like some tissue in here just to hold the shape. Oh my gosh. So we'll look at her in just a second, but she does look very pretty. I have a little card here. So in here it has like some care instructions and things like that. And then we do have a little satin bag so you can store your wig in the bag after. And then lastly, we have a little baggie with some accessories and some more goodies. So we have a little comb brush, and I also got some alligator clips. And then they also included some more accessories. So I guess this is like an extra comb. I'll see what the wig looks like on the inside, but I think this is just like an extra. And this is a really nice band, actually. This is, I don't know if you guys have seen a band like this. This looks really nice. It has like the silicone strips and it's just like a really nice quality material. This is nice. This is like the elastic bands they're stepping up. I feel like this is gonna be really good. I feel like they put a lot of care and attention into all the little details, which is really, really nice. And I know you guys are like, okay, who cares about all that? Let's take a look at the wig, and I'm very excited to look at her as well. So here we go. Okay, yeah. I was wondering if it would be like low-key the same color as my hair. That's so funny. Okay, nice. Wow. What the heck? Okay, that means it's gonna look good. Okay. Okay, so it does come with an elastic band already in it. So I guess this is kind of just like an extra one if, if it like breaks or something like that. And yeah, same thing with the comb. I guess it's just an extra because it does have a comb built in. Wow, okay. No, this is a nice wig. Wow. The hair feels really nice. She smells really good. She smells like freshly like washed, like shampooed, you know what I mean? And I love the color. I wasn't sure. You know when you look at the reviews, like everyone's review photo kind of looks different because they're taking pictures in like different lighting, or sometimes they customize the wig too, so it looks different on like different people, you know what I mean? So that's why like I know you guys love watching these videos because it's really nice to see the wig like in kind of like real lighting, like what it actually looks like. But yeah, the color is beautiful. It's very well done. Like the blend and like all the highlights and the balayage. And I love that it gets lighter at the ends. Like this is really, really pretty. All right, and I just flipped the wig inside out so you guys can see the cap construction. So this is the front of the wig and it is a lace front. This is the lace. I got the transparent like honey lace. And then they do a fake scalp as well. So you can see kind of the fake scalp part here. It's also, I think I got the honey color. I'll have all the details linked down below, but yeah, this is like the fake scalp. So when you look through the lace, it looks like scalp. It's kind of like supposed to be kind of like the bald cap method. Like you're basically supposed to be able to wear this wig without wearing a stocking cap. And then this is what the back of the wig looks like. So we do have the elastic band that I showed you guys before with the silicone strip, and it is removable. So if you don't want to wear the wig glueless for whatever reason, you can take off the elastic band. And the elastic band is adjustable, so you can adjust it to the size of your head. We do have a comb in the back that you can use to secure the wig. And then you also have the adjustable bands here. and then a little tag, which I will cut off. But yeah, I am loving how this blonde looks. I'm so excited to try this on. And all these wigs from Hairvivi come ready to wear pretty much right out of the box. All you really have to do is cut off the lace and you're good to go. They do all the work for you to make the wig look as natural as possible. So the knots are already bleached, and it does come with a pre-plucked hairline that looks very natural, which I'm so happy about because I am not one to pluck a hairline. So I love that they take care of all that for you. And the wigs are glueless, so you can wear them with the elastic band. You don't have to like worry about messing with any glue unless you want to, but they're pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and let's try her on. Okay. All right, so this is what she looks like on. This is like fresh out of the box. I didn't do any styling or anything. I just cut off the lace, and I'll give you like a little close-up of the hairline so you guys can see. And I am wearing it glueless. I'm just using the elastic band in the back, and I feel like everything is sitting really nicely. Like it feels very secure, and I like that all the lace is laying very flat against my head, so it looks very natural. And it's crazy how this matches my hair color like so well. The roots are a bit darker than my current hair color, but everything else is like pretty much almost identical, which is so funny. It doesn't really need much styling. I am just gonna straighten out some of these bends, and I think I'm gonna try to flatten the top a little bit more. It's kind of giving me like a square head. Alright, so this is the final look here. Let me know what you guys think. And again, this wig is 16 inches, so this is where it falls on me. And the density is 180% density, so it doesn't feel too heavy on the head. It still feels pretty natural and lightweight. You know what I'm kind of itching to do is cut a few more layers into the front here. And I kind of want to cut a bang, like a curtain bang or something like that, just to do something a little bit different. I feel like that would be really fun. Let me know what you guys think. I think just because it's so similar to my current hair color, this is kind of what I already look like when I wear my hair with my hair extensions. I have shorter hair extensions that pretty much go to the same length. So I kind of want to have like a different look. So I feel like it'd be fun to have another look that has bangs and I don't have to cut bangs into my own hair. It's like the whole thing about having a wig. So yeah, I think that'd be really fun. If I do it, I'll film a video for you guys. That is it for this video, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys want to check out this hair, I'll leave all the information in the description box. So thanks so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.